All right, we're just going to dive right into this one. I've already done the other side. The right front shock has been replaced. We pulled this wheel, found the wheel speed sensor just kind of dangling here. This is supposed to clip in right there. There's my light. And this piece up here is supposed to have a little push-through retainer that's broken off, so I'll have to zip tie that in place or something there. So anyway, this process will be the same on Tahoe, Yukon, Escalade, Silverado, and Sierra trucks. Now this particular body style, I believe, went from 2000 to 2006. Others may be very similar. So the top nut is 15 millimeters. The bottom bolt and nut are 13/16. I was able to get the top nut off using an impact rather than trying to fight it with a wrench. So let's go. And it said nope. Okay. Okay, let's try again. That'll do it. I lost my socket somewhere. There it is. Cool. Normally I would fight these with a wrench and fight them and fight them and fight them. And this way is so much better. All right, let's move to the bottom. So essentially what you're going to do down here is this nut and bolt there. And I'm sure I'll be in your way. A dirt build up under here. All right. And there we go. Come on. So just push that bolt out. This goes out this way. Thought this was funny. The stud actually broke off, and which is fine with me. I was taking it off anyway. I wasn't going to use it. So hey, break if you want. Okay, so if you don't know what a dead shock looks like, when you compress a shock, it should rebound. Okay, so if I compress this, it comes back out. This shock does nothing. So this is going to make you have a bad ride rough, bouncy, and just all around make you hate your vehicle. All right, I'm going to zip tie this ABS sensor wire in place and get back to the shocks. So I'm not going to film the installation because it's just simply a reversal of the disassembly. And I'll get this wrapped up. Now I'm going to move to the rear. Okay, that wraps up the front shock replacement. I will note that this is an LT model. It had the auto ride system, so the shocks would not have been the same from the factory as what we put on today. These are just cheap shocks. You can get them on Amazon, probably eBay. They came with it. The guy had them already. Let me have them with it. And so I didn't have to buy shocks for it. So they're probably about $100 for all four, which isn't bad, you know. For what we paid for this, I'm not putting expensive shocks on it. If it gets us a year down the road, a year and a half as a spare vehicle, this is just a spare vehicle for us, so I'm not going to put a lot of money into it. But if I can fix things cheaply and fix it myself and make it better, I'm going to certainly do that. This light I picked up at Harbor Freight. It's one of those swipe on, swipe off lights. Pretty cool. It's very cheap. I think it runs on AAA batteries. So if you're tired of trying to hold a flashlight and work at the same time, which doesn't happen, it doesn't always work. So pick one of these up. It works really great. So anyway, this is going to wrap this video up. I'm going to move to the back, and I'll see you soon.